We had bug in this. This is home page. I'll remove this also. Okay, we are in Redux example, so we are not getting this data, right? So in the reducer, we had the data. Okay, the data is not coming in the component level. The store is providing dispatch method. Okay, replace reducer subscribe method. Okay, let me use the get state method for now. I can use dispatch also to change the name. So I can write store dot get state. In index.js file, I'm getting the name. Store is working correctly, and also reducer is also providing the data. Okay, then okay, let me check this file, redux example.js file. Okay, then map state to props, map dispatch to props. This is not getting called. I think there is something problem with the connect only. Rest of all the things are working. Try giving the just dot props dot name. The connect itself is not getting called maybe. We have done a default export. How come it became a named export? Now it is giving name is ABC. Okay, because of that only I guess it was an auto import gave a named export. Okay, I'll put it again. So it was not giving any error also to understand where is the error. Yeah, see it's not coming. Okay, this is the problem. Yeah, change name if I do. Okay, it is giving XYZ. Okay, and here it is giving ABC only because I've given the static data maybe because of that. Let me check. Okay, dispatch type change name and payload name. Okay, name is coming from this function. This dot props dot change name. Okay, we are passing the name, so that name goes here and payload name. So here it comes, and here we are telling action dot payload, right? So action dot payload is coming from here only. Okay, so payload and type. So this is our action. Okay, we are dispatching action. So these two things we are providing to action. Okay, so action dot type and then action dot payload. This is how it is coming. So that we are storing it in a name, and then that we are giving to our component, right? So now let's see whether it's working or not. It's giving Ramesh, yeah. When I change, yeah, it's working. It's XYZ. Okay, so this was a small example. So here we have a reducer in index.js. We have created a store, okay, and provided to your app, right? The store will be provided to app. So from any component which is a child of app component, you can get the state, you can dispatch a action, right? So we can do this. So let's do one thing. I'll give a simple demo to you. Let me do one thing. Let me quickly create one project. Okay, that will be, I think, good. Too many files are there, right? Let me see if I have any other working project. Okay, we can use that only. Okay, I got one project. Yeah, so this looks like a fresh project. I'm not sure what kind of errors will get it here. And yeah, let me just check. I'll show you the way you can implement Redux. So, okay, let it run first. Okay, so why do we have this strict mode in React in index.js
Index.js.
file? It is there. So what is the use of that React.strict mode? Use strict we use to avoid, without declaring variable when we try using it, right? So your application will be executing in a strict mode. So it will try to find out some bugs. Okay. So sometimes you might have seen, like, without creating a variable, we can directly use it like this 10. If I say console log x, then it will give me 10, right? So if you write use strict, okay, use strict should always be used on top. Okay, so your file now will be executed in a strict mode, and it will give you the error that x is not declared. Okay, so that is why we have this use strict. So like that only, what React people try to do is, okay, instead of getting the errors in production mode, okay, sometimes what happens, whatever code we are writing, so there are a lot of complex components will be there, and sometimes whatever data we are passing from a root component to your nested child, sometimes we don't get the states that we see it in a production sometimes. Okay, so what React people try to do is, okay, so as much as they can give you the errors in the development mode only. Okay, so that is why they are using this React dot strict mode. So your application will be executed in a strict mode, okay, in the development phase. So you will get a lot of bugs in the development phase only, so that it should not happen in the production mode. Okay, and one more thing is, sometimes you might have seen it will give you unnecessary re-rendering. Okay, so if you might have seen in the console, sometimes we get 2 times render, 2 times some methods has called like special functions. Okay, it can be use state, it can be this dot set state, it can be component did mount life cycle, right? So 2 times you will see the outputs in the console. So why is that happening? Because strict mode, this React.strict mode, what it is trying to do is, basically we get the errors or state issues or data leakage issues in this life cycle hooks or special hooks, special functions. So it will try to give you the bug as much as it can. So that is why 2 times re-rendering happens. Okay, so to avoid, if you don't want 2 times re-rendering and all, right, you can just go ahead and remove that React.strict mode. Then you can see you will not have that 2 times printing statements. You will have it only once. Okay.